I'm going to show you how to make a cone stand for your Christmas tree using magazine page in a very easy and quick way. So here I got a cover sheet of a magazine, or you can simply use magazine pages. You may want to double it up or use 2 or 3 pages, or you can use old calendar pages that will work. And so roll it into a cone shape here with your magazine page and simply slide the tree over it. Oops. Okay. And looks like that will work as a cone. And next thing I'm going to do is simply trim off the bottom. Okay. Just kind of follow the contour of the tree here. Okay. And that's it. That's the cone stand. If you need to adjust it, let's say trim the bottom a little bit more, you can definitely do that. I'm going to trim here a little bit more just to make it stand slightly more evenly. Okay. And if you want, you can also tape the inside together using Scotch tape. And tape it together, and here you go. You have a instant cone stand.